Hello! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Joy. And my friends. So meron kaming awards night. Si Aiza ang judge. No, for today's video, we're going to celebrate Aiza Bagawi's birthday! Yay! Alright, so kung saan kami pupunta, you'll see. Okay? See you. Bye-bye. Ganda-gandahan.
Ano yung outfit?
Ay, ang bongga. Kasi ang maganda pa, same shade tayo talaga.
Wow.
Ang perfect.
Yay! We're here in the address. Hello! So for today, we're going to where? Which restaurant?
Nazca Restaurant.
Okay, we're here. Thank you. Alright, we reach here. The birthday girl, the gorgeous Aiza B. Siyempre, we're in a very beautiful place. So, kailangan demure tayo, no?
Prim and proper ang atake natin.
Hindi. Yung, wag natin ipapakita yung mga, eto, nagsimula na siya.
Pero natalbugan din yung ano mukbi yung dito.
So stunning, wag niyo akong iwan, no? So, kailangan ang ugali ay medyo front and yes, front and proper. Wag ipakita ang pagiging
Sophistication.
oh my God, look at the view, guys. This is very us. Nagpalit na po sila ng mga heels. Ayan na po. Oh, magaganda na yung ano. Yes. Wow, the stunning Burj Khalifa, guys. This is the address. We're almost there. Yes, Nazca is there. Ayan. So, we reach here at Nazca! Wow, bongga. Nasa outdoor seating kami kasi syempre, look at the view, guys. Look at that. Oh my God, amazing!
Hindi pa siya too hot. Pwede pa mag-out.
Yeah. O, diba? How's our look? Kumusta naman ang color coding namin? Ito parang Chinese.
Happy Valentine's Day. Happy Chinese New Year.
Sabi nga sa atin, Merry Christmas. Oh, no, grabe naman. Picturean muna. You already know. O, yan. Of course, ang ating birthday celebrant, kailangan talagang meron siyang intro.
One eternity later.
Picture pa din po. Of course. Of course. Grabe, ang ganda talaga dito sa Dubai, guys. Lalo na pag night.
Okay, go.
You and I.
We've been here for more than an hour. Siyempre, hindi pa tapos ang pictura.
Exactly.
Kasi
Because
yung birthday celebration na to, 4 hours ang picturan, 1 hour lang ang
pero look at our view,
Yeah.
guys. It's so beautiful.
beautiful, super nice. This is really our celebrant really outdid herself kasi bongga, tara,
True.
yayamanin. Iba talaga pag
Yeah, pag may bonus. This is their bar area. May indoor and outdoor. Malaki yung indoor and outdoor nila. Okay, guys. So, ito ang aming menu. This is gonna be 4-course set menu. Comes our food. Say hi, brother. Aywa. Oh my gosh, calamari. Guys, this is our appetizer. My God, looks delicious.
Avocado toaster,
Yes. Oh my gosh.
sun-based roll.
Yes.
Hindi, yung foam lang yan.
Oh my gosh, look at this. So cute. Oh my goodness, guys. Look at our appetizer. Oh my gosh. Guys, cheers! Happy birthday, Aiza B!
Birthday, Aiza B.
Cheers! Guys, our main course has arrived. Bon appetit! To you! Happy birthday, dear Isa!
Happy birthday, Isa!
Thank you! Happy birthday, Isa! Happy birthday, happy Isa! Happy birthday, Isa! Wish be, wish. Isa B! Love you, me. Bigay na ng gift! Wow! Hello, bongga! So, si Desiree na. Wow!
Happy birthday!
Isang set na yan, Cheers! Happy birthday, Isa B! Hi! Ano, fresh pa ba?
Palit na po ng
Naka-flats na po.
Tapos ng pagpapangga.
True. So guys, that's it for today. Nag-enjoy ba ang lahat?
Super!
Okay, thank you, Isa B. Happy birthday! See you guys on my next vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye!